Hello, this is Sebastian from socialanxietysolutions.com and welcome to Testimonials Tuesday. Today I'm reading to you a comment that I pulled from our WhatsApp group. I run a social confidence club, closed for registration at the moment. We only open that up once a year in February after the 30-day challenge. And part of that social confidence club, we have a forum and we also have a WhatsApp. We also have live webinars that we do where we do group coaching, lots of games to get out of your comfort zone, use tapping and so on. It is amazing, drip-fed content, but that's not what this is about. What this is about is a comment that I pulled from our WhatsApp group and I'm gonna read it to you right now. It's from Jan, who happens to be from the Netherlands, because that's where I'm from too. Anyway, he writes the following. I thought I'd share some incredible improvements in the social anxiety over the past few weeks, yet especially yesterday. At work, I did not get triggered once and was completely calm, while I usually get triggered a few times. Later that day, I was at a party with lots of new people, which scares me a lot typically. This time, however, I noticed I was quite calm and not so anxious as I used to be. I was able to feel relaxed and at ease around most others, even though I did not know them. To my surprise, I was even asked by some of these partygoers if I wanted to join their group that evening because they thought I was such great company. I feel amazing about the positive changes and thought I'd share them with you guys. Thanks, Jan, if you're seeing this, for sharing that. I already said that in the WhatsApp, but here you go as well. And I hope this was inspiring for you if you're watching this now. If you want to already get started, start chipping away at your social anxiety, best thing I can recommend to you right now is to go to my website, socialanxietysolutions.com, and click on Overcome Social Anxiety. You get your free social confidence starter kit where I teach you the basics of tapping and how to apply to social anxiety. And I also have 5 or 6 tap-alongs so you can instantly feel the power of this technique working and start reducing some of your social anxiety already. So you can go to socialanxietysolutions.com. Hope this was inspiring to you, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye for now.